What is going on, bass fishing freaks? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Welcome back to an all new episode. I'm really excited about the next couple episodes because I'm up in Prairie du Chien, Wisconsin, and we're doing the it's Scott from Drastic Plastics has rented us an Airbnb, me and all the rest of the Drastic Plastics pro staff, and we're having a get together weekend, fun weekend with everybody associated with Drastic Plastics. So it's going to be fun. I'm really excited to meet some of the other YouTubers that Scott sponsors that I have not met yet. I'm here today with Butters.
Hi guys.
Butters is a friend of Kit from Kit Fishing, and Butters is going to start, you're starting your own YouTube channel, right?
I am.
Nice. It's kind of in the first few steps of it. So we're out, we just had a couple hours here before lunch and before supper, and we're just dicking around. Scott is with Kit, and then Kyle is in his own boat, and we're just gonna go fishing for a couple hours, and then Destination Outdoors here in Prairie du Chien, Wisconsin is cooking a supper, so we got to get back for that and help him clear a spot out in the store so we can have a fish fry in the pro shop. It's gonna be fun. Anyways, folks, stay tuned. Donkey hunting starts right now. There you go. Oh, that wasn't you? Get in there. We'll tag team him. Did he? You're welcome. Put people on fish and they catch them before I do. Oh, I just missed one. Yeah, they're way back there. He had it too. Dang it.
Got a bell dancing, kid. Yeah. Rip and whip.
You want him to come out of the water.
Oh!
Hey, fish on!
Put my fish back.
Yeah, son!
Get some.
Woo!
He's going to take a nap. He's going to get an extra video out of it.
Ah!
2 and 2 days.
I hate braided line.
I love it.
I just heard one. Oh, it was Kit splashing his bait. What's Kyle doing? Oh, he's back there. He's fishing the end of it. The end of the weeds. I'm way over here. Yeah, I'll let you play with that spot till I get bored, then I'm gonna cast back in there. Did ya?
So Kent brought me a razor blade to strap to my motor.
Did you get the actual Ninja blade or did you homemade?
He had some guy make it for me. I don't know if he
Oh, a bunch of my buddies have the Ninja blade. They like it. My brother-in-law made his own out of just razor blades in epoxy, and it works great. He's got $7 in the whole get-up. Oh!
Yes.
count to 3, then set the hook.
Okay.
Here, bring them over. They can take my boat over and do that, and I'll get in with you. Don't say that, because then tomorrow they're going to think that we're going walleye fishing. I like walleye fishing. I just pretty much only do it when it's cold. In the winter time when I have to put my boat away, I'll go bank fishing. I'm a huge ice fisherman guy too. Yep, spring is fun too, or like February to May is fun because they get up by the dam and you just vertical jig off a boat.
I've never done that. That looks like something fun.
It is fun. This is like ice fishing with off a boat. Yep.
That's hilarious. How about the dangle?
Yeah, but they can't. Nobody can resist a bad chicken. What was that over there? Another fish, or was that kit?
Yeah. That was a blow ups over here though.
I know. That's. Woo!
That was a northern kit.
Yeah, I don't want that. I'm out of here.
That was toothy. Had me all sorts of inside out.
So it happened to me yesterday after he caught that 6-pound bass.
Busted them off.
Then he got hooked up on a northern and took his frog. Why are you trying to catch him?
Dude, my frog wouldn't even swim or float anymore. Stinks.
What do you think, Jeremy? That's a northern pike over there. Go back over here and it wasn't? You said it was. It was a big fish.
It was a big fish.
You just said that to get me out of there.
It worked.
If that had been me at the front of the boat, I'd have been getting.
Oh, there he is right there.
Oh,
You'd be wearing that frog.
right?
Well, he never touched it. I could see it. Giant bass!
Bass, though, look at that.
Oh, did you want that frog? I think he did.
Got the whole thing down, huh? Boy, fish are a lot bigger till we showed up.
See, Scott, if you had a Dobbins rod, you wouldn't be missing half them fish. Watch out, Butters. Yeah, just to get together for. There's one. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I hope it's not a pike. It's running. It's a good fish, whatever it is. It's a bass. It's a bass.
Is it really?
Yep. It's fighting really good.
It's bass, man.
Yes, sir. Not bad, not bad at all. Oop, oop, oop. There's one. Little guy. Watch out.
I even got a whopper flopper for chocolate.
That's what we're after, Butters. Biggins.
Biggins.